Space is a boundless frontier filled with wonders beyond imagination. From black holes to far-off galaxies, the universe holds secrets that redefine what we think we know. Get ready to be amazed as we explore 30 jaw-dropping facts about the cosmos that will leave you staring at the stars in awe. But before that, make sure to like this video to reach more souls like you. Space is completely silent. In space, no one can hear you scream or whisper. That's because space is a vacuum, meaning there's no medium like air or water to carry sound waves. You may wonder here how astronauts hear sound. Astronauts communicate through radio waves, which don't need a medium to travel. Think of it as the ultimate silent retreat, where the loudest sounds are the ones inside your head. Space is a better place for those who love silence. One day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Yes, Venus spins so slowly on its axis that a single day lasts 243 Earth days, but its year, how long it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. This means a day on Venus outlasts its year, making for some seriously long sunrises and sunsets. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece of its material would weigh about billions of tons on Earth. These remnants of supernova explosions pack unimaginable mass into a tiny core, creating one of the densest objects in the universe. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Astronomers estimate there are about 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. To put that in perspective, that's more stars than all the grains of sand on every beach, desert, and sand dune on Earth combined. Black holes can spaghettify objects. If you were to fall into a black hole, you'd experience spaghettification. This is where the intense gravitational pull stretches your body into a long, thin strand, like spaghetti. It's not the most appetizing way to meet your cosmic end. Do you know why people love to go to the Mars? Because a day on Mars is similar to Earth's. Mars has a day, called a sol, that lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes, just slightly longer than a day on Earth. This similarity is one reason Mars is a favorite for potential human colonization. Do you know where is the largest volcano located? The largest volcano is on Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing at a staggering 13.6 miles high, about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Its base covers an area roughly the size of France. Saturn's rings are mostly ice. Saturn's iconic rings are made mostly of water ice, with particles ranging from tiny grains to chunks as large as your houses. These shimmering bands have mesmerized astronomers for centuries and remain one of the most beautiful features in our solar system. There's a gigantic storm on Jupiter. I hope you probably heard that already. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm on Jupiter, has been raging for at least 350 years. It's so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it, and it shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. Do you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Yes, the moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. Over billions of years, this gradual drift will affect tides and lengthen days on Earth. Don't worry, it's not going anywhere fast. If it goes, then our story will end. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. Yes, the Sun is so massive that it could hold 1.3 million Earths inside it. Its sheer size dominates the solar system, accounting for 99.86% of the total mass. If the Sun were hollow, you could stack Earths like marbles, and it would still have room to spare. Uranus spins on its side. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, Uranus spins on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. This odd tilt likely resulted from a massive collision during its formation. As a result, its poles experience extreme seasons lasting over 40 years. Here is the most interesting one. A day on Mercury is longer than its year, same as Venus, but comparatively huge differences. Mercury rotates so slowly that one day, sunrise to sunrise, takes 176 Earth days, while its year, how long it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 88 Earth days. This means 2 Mercury years fit into 1 Mercury day. Do you know which is the largest known star? The largest known star is mind-blowingly big. The star UY Scuti, located in the Milky Way, is so enormous that its radius is over 1,700 times larger than the Sun's. If it replaced the Sun, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. For more details, we have recently uploaded a video about it. Don't forget to watch it after this. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts have reported that space smells like burnt steak or welding fumes. This unique scent is caused by high-energy particles in space interacting with materials and equipment, creating a distinctive cosmic barbecue aroma. Do you know a day on our Earth is getting longer? Due to the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's rotation is slowing down by 1.8 milliseconds per century. Millions of years from now, days will last 25 hours. We will not live until then. This gradual change has been happening for billions of years. There's a diamond planet, the exoplanet 55 Cancri E, located 40 light-years away, is believed to be made largely of diamond. Its carbon-rich composition, combined with intense pressure, likely transformed much of its interior into a solid diamond, worth $27 million. The coldest place in the universe is warmer than absolute zero. The coldest natural spot in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, where temperatures dip to minus 272 degrees Celsius, just 1 degree above absolute zero. However, scientists have achieved even colder temperatures in lab experiments on Earth. The speed of light is the universe's limit. Light travels at a staggering 186,000 miles per second, or about 670 million miles per hour. Nothing in the universe can move faster. At this speed, light takes just over 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth. Saturn could float in water. Saturn's average density is so low that it could float in water if you could find a bathtub big enough. Its density is less than that of water because it's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. There's a galactic collision in our future. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, these two massive galaxies will merge, forming a new one. Don't worry, our solar system is unlikely to collide with another star. The moon has moonquakes. Just like Earth has earthquakes, the moon experiences moonquakes caused by tidal stresses from Earth's gravity. Some of these quakes can last for up to an hour, hinting that the moon's interior is not entirely stable. Mars has the largest canyon in the solar system. The Valles Marineris Canyon system on Mars stretches over 2,500 miles, about the width of the United States. It's 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon and offers a glimpse into Mars's volcanic and tectonic past. You'd weigh less on the moon. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, meaning you'd weigh much less there. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh just 25 pounds on the moon. A perfect place for effortless high jumps. Space is expanding faster than ever. The universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. Scientists estimate the expansion began about 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang and shows no signs of slowing down. The hottest planet is not the closest to the Sun. You might think Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is the hottest, but that title belongs to Venus. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, keeping its surface at a scorching 465 degrees Celsius. A spoonful of a neutron star would weigh billions of tons. The intense gravity of a neutron star compresses its material into extreme densities. Just a teaspoon of this material would weigh as much as Mount Everest, thanks to its compact atomic structure. The edge of the observable universe is 46 billion light-years away. While the universe is 13.8 billion years old, the expansion of space means the edge of the observable universe is 46 billion light-years from Earth. Beyond that lies the unknown. There are rogue planets drifting through space. In space, rogue planets are free-floating worlds not bound to any star, drifting alone in the darkness of space. Astronomers estimate there could be billions of these lonely planets in our galaxy alone. Time moves differently in space, and Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields, a phenomenon called time dilation. For astronauts aboard the ISS, time moves a fraction of a second slower than on Earth, making them technically time travelers. From breathtaking cosmic wonders to mind-bending phenomena, the universe reminds us how small we are and how limitless our curiosity can be. What other secrets does the cosmos hold? The adventure is far from over. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.